If you are a mortgage loan officer, real estate agent, or anyone that works in the car selling business that depends on customers with good credit, partner with Sturgis Credit Repair for free today, and I'm going to show you guys how to go through that process. So pretty much you can manually send your customers who may be slacking credit history or may need some negative items removed from their credit report in order to use your services. You can manually send them to us, allow us to work on their credit. You can track their scores, track their updates, and get them back before they go to someone else if they do decide to proceed in applying for whatever you're selling them. So let's get started. We're going to first go to SturgisCreditRepair.com. We're already here on the home page, and you're going to go to the subtitles and select partners. So on this partner page here, pretty much what I just stated, if you're a real estate agent, loan officer, auto sales consultant, or anyone who depend on customers with good credit scores, create a free partner account with us today. So right here, why partner with us? We kind of got a few details that kind of, sell you on why you should partner with us and pretty much show why we're pretty much rated as one of the top companies for credit repair. So you come down here to the partner/affiliate program form. You want to enter in all of your information, your first name, your last name, gender, of course, if that matters, your business email, business phone number, your company that you work for, and your company's website. So this phone number here is going to be your direct contact number. If it's a office phone, be sure to put your direct extension in case we may need to call you. You want to verify that you're not a robot, and you want to submit your information now. Once you submit that information, a few minutes after we approve your partner account, you're going to receive an email that says login credentials for secure client access. You want to click that. This is just a testing email that I literally just made. You want to click login now, and you just create a password for your partner account. It literally just took 5 minutes, and now here you are. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this partner account. So when you first log in, you're going to come to a send a referral page here. So if you have a customer who may need credit services and they can't get approved for your mortgage loan, or they can't buy a house if you're a real estate agent, or if you work in a car selling business, they can't get approved for a vehicle, you want to log in and manually refer them to us. So you want to enter in their first name, their email. You don't really got to worry about their last four, their social security number and date of birth, because we're going to collect all of their information once we contact the customer and make sure they actually want to sign up. So pretty much you're just referring them to us for us to contact them. Once we contact them and they want to move forward, then we can activate their account from there, and their account is going to be attached to your profile here. And then right here in this bottom section, you're going to have all of your information. This is exactly what your customer is going to see when they log into their account. They're going to have a picture right here, which I'm going to show you guys how to change that in a second. They're going to have your name, and then your company that you work for, and your direct phone number and your website. So let's say if you're a loan officer and you referred a customer to us, when it gets to the point where their credit scores get fixed or their scores get raised enough to where they can buy a home, they can't go to a different loan officer, or they may forget who you were that referred them to us. That way, every time they log in, they see your picture, they see your name, they see your phone number, and your company's website. So it's impossible to lose that customer. So going back to that picture, you can upload your picture right here. It can be a business card. It doesn't have to be your face, or you can just leave it blank. It can be your business logo, whichever one you want it to be. You can edit all of your email information here, the company that you work for, your company's website, phone number, everything that you want your customers to see when they log into their account to remember who you are. You want to put all of that information in right here in the My Account tab. Again, send a referral is how you send customers to us. Right here in this tab here, you're going to track all customers that are enrolled under your name. So right here, this is just a testing client. If you want to track their updates, you want to click View Summary, And I kind of just created some fake credit scores here. So just to give you an example, every month starting from the day they sign up, you can see what their credit scores were. You can see how they changed, how many points they went up. Right here in this chart, of course, there's nothing here now because this is a fake account. You can see how many items were deleted. You can see how many items are currently in dispute. That means how many items we're currently working on. You can see how many items were updated, meaning if any account had a late payment on it and it was updated from negative to positive, that's going to update right there. So you're going to see all of that information right here if you just go to My Referrals and click View Summary. And right here in the Messages tab, you can just send us a message. If it's regarding one of your customers, you can send us a message right there. Credit information. So if a customer reach out to you and begin asking you information on credit, you can kind of read up on this page here. That way you're fully educated on credit and the credit repair process as well. And right here, web lead form, which makes your process real easy. If you have a website, every affiliate or every partner gets their own coding, which means if you have a website, you can copy and paste this coding here, paste it into your website, and it's automatically going to generate a sign up form. So if you send a customer to your website to sign up for credit repair, whenever they sign up, they automatically enroll under your name to where we don't have to manually call the customer, see who referred them, or you call us and say, hey, we referred this customer or we referred that customer. So if you copy and paste this coding here and paste it onto your website, that sign up form will automatically create on your website, and a customer can sign up right on your website. So that comes in handy. But that's everything regarding the partner account. It is super simple to use. Outside of that, it comes in handy when it comes to having customers who may need help increasing their credit scores and bring more business to you. And that is all. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.